when I got to Wales, I experienced this sense of Cynefin. In a place, I felt that this was my stomping ground, even though I had never, ever been there before. And you have to know that I grew up in New Jersey in the States, and New Jersey is the butt of a lot of jokes as the sort of ultra suburban state. It's all built up. There are housing estates and shopping malls and cloverleaf highways, and it's just very heavily inhabited by us. We are everywhere. It's hard to see beyond us in New Jersey. I had no sense of what came before me when I grew up there, or of the land itself. And in an inarticulate way, that really bothered me. I would like dig in my mom's garden looking for artifacts from the past. It was like a tiny little archaeologist. And then I got to Wales, and for the first time in my life, I walked into a multi-dimensional landscape, a place where the past was present. Other ideas than ours were still present. The remnants of other times, civilizations were there.